Hey guys, welcome to KuCoin product tutorial. In today's video, we'll be going through KuCoin Earn, our brand new rate up coupons, as well as how to obtain and use these rate up coupons in our app as well as desktop. KuCoin is a top 5 crypto exchange globally and the home of altcoins. We now have over 600 tokens on our platform, and if you'd like to know more about KuCoin and the crypto industry, please hit the subscribe button below and click on the post notification to receive our updates. So, crypto winter is here. KuCoin Earn, a platform with professional asset management services, is regarded as a safe haven for investors to hedge their risk amid the bear market and this market correction period. Currently, KuCoin Earn offers a variety of investment service products, such as savings, staking, and more, to allow users to earn passive income, which allows these crypto assets to work for them rather than just holding. In addition, KuCoin Earn has recently launched Rate Up Coupons. This function is an exclusive bonus period that allows users to earn double rewards for the KuCoin Earn products that they are subscribing to. Rate Up Coupons are coupons issued by KuCoin that allows users to earn additional interest on top of the interest already earned on KuCoin's earned products. So for example, when a Rate Up coupon is used, not only will a user earn the interest based on the KuCoin earned product itself, but an additional interest based on the Rate Up coupon. So for example, if a USDT flexible promotion has an APR of 8% and you use a Rate Up coupon with an interest rate of 60%, then you will earn a combined interest rate of 68%. This earned interest will be issued to your main account on a daily basis. So let's dive a little bit deeper into the specifics of the KuCoin's Rate Up coupon. As you can see on your screen, there are 5 core principles that the Rate Up coupon relies on. On the top left corner, you can see the expiry date, which is the date that the coupon is valid for. On the bottom left, you can see the corresponding products for which the coupon can be used. In the middle, you can see the days in which the coupon can last from the day it is issued. On the top right corner, you can see the Rate Up APR, which is the additional interest rate. And on the right hand side, that is the maximum rate cap for the amount of interest you can earn with this coupon. Now that we learned how KuCoin's Rate Up coupons work, let's see how we can obtain them. There are several ways of obtaining the coupons. If you're accessing KuCoin from a browser, enter KuCoin Earn page from the header, and then click on the Claim Bonus button on the left-hand side of the screen. This will lead you to the Bonus Center page, where you can check the current rate up owned by your account, as well as enable you to claim a new coupon by entering the received code. The same process works if you're accessing KuCoin from a mobile app. With all that being done, you are now successfully earning an increased interest rate by using KuCoin's Rate Up coupon. In order to check if the coupon has been properly applied, enter the KuCoin Earn dashboard where you'll be able to see all your subscribed products. Hope this clarifies how to obtain and use KuCoin's Rate Up coupon and earn more passive income. Feel free to let us know what you'd like us to cover next and leave a comment if you have any questions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Happy trading on KuCoin.